Commercial Subcontractor of the Year, ACT Steelworks. Serving the ACT construction industry with pride for more than 55 years, ACT Steelworks is a leader in steel fabrication, installation, and project management. They deliver intricate, high-end projects, including recent works at the Australian War Memorial, and are renowned for quality, honesty, and innovation. Being the sole NSSCS certified steel fabricator in the ACT, they adhere to the strictest industry guidelines. They offer professional assistance from early planning to delivery, thanks to their talented staff and state-of-the-art equipment. ACT Steelworks is proud to help shape Canberra's built environment while promoting a construction industry that values ethics, inclusion, and innovation. Congratulations, ACT Steelworks.